How to apply for Chase Freedom credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to chase.com. Then on this web page, you first want to click on the sign in option. Then on the sign in portal, enter your username. Now enter your password. Check on the box that says remember me if you want your details to be remembered. Then click on the sign in option. Click on this link in case you have forgotten your username or password. Now you want to click on the option of credit cards. After that, within the credit card section, you want to search for the Chase Freedom card. You can use the search function or simply explore it over here. Once you have found it, you simply want to click on the apply button. Now over here, you will have to fill up this form. On this form, you will have to enter your personal information such as your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, mother's maiden name. Select the tax ID type and then enter the number here. After that, you will have to enter your address, enter your street address, zip code, city, state, then enter your email address and then enter your mobile number. After that, if you want the authorization for the Security Administration to disclose your social security number verification, you want to check on this box. Now you want to select the type of residence, then select employment status, and then you want to enter your total gross annual income. After that, you will still have to check on some additional details. Then you want to go through all the terms and conditions. Now check on the box that says I've read and agreed to the above. And after that, you want to click on the submit button. Now Chase will review it to determine your eligibility for the Chase Freedom card. This process usually takes a few business days. Chase will notify you of their decision via email or mail. If approved, you will receive your Chase Freedom credit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.